Guys, we're gonna be doing the soda vinegar rocket today, and I've got a little assistant here with me that's gonna help me out. And so I've already put together our plastic bottle, um, and so we'll go ahead and get started. And while he's helping me do this, I'm gonna talk about what is happening here. All right, buddy. So can you put that in here? Yes. Good job. Okay. Now I'm going to get you to help me pour some vinegar in it, okay? Yep, it's going to go like a rocket.
Ouch!
All right, come here. I want you to help me put some vinegar in it, okay? All right, hang on. Let me hold it, okay? Okay, so we have two substances here. We have vinegar, which is basically a weak acetic acid, and we have baking soda, which is pretty much sodium bicarbonate. The overall chemical reaction between the two, so baking soda and vinegar, is going to be 1 mole of solid sodium bicarbonate reacting with 1 mole of liquid acetate, or liquid acetic acid, and this is going to produce 1 mole each of carbon dioxide gas, liquid water, sodium ions, and acetate ions. Can you help me fill this up? Okay, good job. Okay, I think we have enough. All right. Good job, buddy.
Yeah.
Let's put the lid back on. All right, set this down here.
Okay, where is it?
No, hold on to this.
Now.
Abram, here. We're going to put some of this in here. Can you go grab the spoon?
I got it.
Yeah?
No cheese.
Okay, so this is a two-step reaction. The first is going to be double displacement reaction, where the acetic acid in the vinegar reacts with the baking soda. No, it's not snow cheese. Hang on. And that's going to form sodium acetate and carbonic acid. And then from there, carbonic acid undergoes a decomposition reaction to produce carbon dioxide gas. Okay, this is not snow cheese, okay? All right, so what you're going to do is dip some out on here. Can you dip some out? Get the spoon in there. Dip it out and put it right on there. There you go. Put some more on there. Good job, buddy. Oh, yeah, big spoonful. All right, one more big spoonful. Oh, that was a very big spoonful. Yeah, okay, that's plenty. Thank you.
Big one.
Yeah. Here.
I got the big one.
Good job. All right, so we're going to, this might be a little much. So we're going to roll it up. Hang on. Yeah, we're going to roll it up really tight, okay?
This is not cheese.
No, it's not snow cheese. All right. Okay, so for this next part, I'm going to need you to stand right over here with Papa, okay? All right. Wish us luck. Okay, let's see. Back up, back up. I know. You want to try it again? Okay. All right. Yeah? Here. Here, we'll have to empty it out and try it again, okay? See if we can get it to go up higher.
I just want to make my soup.
Okay.
I want my soup again.
Okay, let's fill it up again. Here. All right, help me fill it up. You put some more vinegar in there. Here we go. Just set your spoon right there. There you go. Did you like that? We'll try and get it to go a little higher this time. Okay. Thank you. Ooh, it smells bad, doesn't it?
That does in my eye.
Okay. Here, now Mama's going to try it a little. I may have had this a little too.
No, don't follow it. Ah! Ah!
Okay. Hey, stand right over here. Back up. Hey, back up. Back up. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try it again.
Papa, look. Share
All right, good job, buddy. Thank you for helping me.